Let's make some festive needle felted holiday trees. This is a great project for a parent crafting circle or for kids grades 7 and 8. Start off with a piece of green wool roving, and I've ripped mine so it's slightly narrower at one end and wider at the other end. And I'm going to start rolling it as tightly as I possibly can. The tighter you can roll, the speedier your felting will be. Now I can feel that it's thinner at the top and thicker at the bottom, but I think I might like to add a little more to the base here. Okay, it doesn't quite look like a tree yet, but trust me, it will. I'm working with a piece of foam to protect my table, and I'm going to watch out for my fingertips and start felting. I can roll as I go, and I can draw out the tip of the tree to make it even thinner. Keep rolling as you go. And work the bottom of your tree as well. You can add some personality to your tree by giving it some twists and turns all the way around. Remember that wherever you felt, that's where it's going to shrink. So if you want to create a spiral effect, you'll just needle felt around in a spiral to create that shape. Next, decorate your tree with some embroidery. French knots, cross stitches, stars, or even little heart-shaped stitches make great decorations for your tree. You can leave the base plain, or I found these little wooden circles from my local craft store and hot glued them onto the bottom. I thought they made a really nice base. I hope you enjoy this fun little project. Happy holidays!